short clip on how to sell to a fellow Binance user. So you come to your wallet, you say withdraw, you see withdraw, sell in USD, withdraw crypto, pair to pair. So withdraw crypto, let's withdraw B. Now we ask you, send via crypto network, send via mail. You use fear, send via mail. You put in the person mail, the person email. You put in the person email address. Okay, you choose a mode, choose a mode or Binance user ID, whichever mode suits you. Put the person's phone number, but I prefer email or Binance user ID. You copy the Binance user ID. I put it here. Okay, let's go and copy Binance users ID. Let me show you where Binance users ID is. So we'll go back, Binance users ID. So if you see here, this icon here, click here. So this is Binance users ID on top. Just click on it. You see copied successfully. So let's go back to where we are. So you go to your wallet, withdraw crypto. You pick any coin. Let's say you want to send whatever coin you want to send. Send via email. Go to email. You pick a mode. Email users ID. So you pick user ID. So you click, you hard press. You put users ID. Then let's say I want to send. Option is optional. It's there for you to write anything. If you don't want to write, you write. So you click send. Please do not pay yourself. So my user ID. So it could locate me. It could know that it's me. So that's how to go about sending within Binance. And you will not pay gas fee. It's within Binance, so you will not pay gas fee. So we are in Bybit. Same thing applies in Bybit. You go to your wallet, you click withdraw crypto. So you see all the cryptos are showing. So the one without money will not show. But first of all, make sure you send your crypto to the funding account. You transfer whatever crypto you want to withdraw from unified account to your funding account. If you click here, it switched it. So unified account. I have $20, $22 there. So let me do $10. I'll click it to send to my funding account. This transaction is free. This very one we are doing now is free. So let's go to our wallet. So if you look at my funding account now, I have $20. So we go to withdraw. You click what you want to withdraw. So if you see on-chain withdraw, that's you are withdrawing to the chain network. Internal withdraw. So you click internal withdraw. Under internal withdraw, what are you withdrawing? USDT, whatever coin you are withdrawing. Let me remove this thing. Whatever coin you are withdrawing is here. Why this one is showing is the one that have money. It's only this that have. So you come to this place. If you see mail, email, mobile phone, UID, mobile phone, mail. So we already know how to get our UID. Let me still do it again. Go to home page, UID, click this image, your UID is here. Just click it, taps your UID. So this is sending to somebody using Bybit with you and using Binance with you so that you will not pay transaction fee or gas fee. as it may be. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe, comment, and like. Have a great day.